Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do so, you simply gotta go ahead first, open up your Tonkeeper wallet app. Over here, tap on this option of receive. Tap on this option of copy. You have received your address, copied your address to receive the USDT, right? Now go ahead, open up your Bybit app. You're gonna go ahead, go back over here. You have to first make sure you have set up your wallet over here, and you have verified yourself as well. Then you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option of withdraw. And in this withdraw section, you're gonna go ahead now paste the address that we just copied from the Tonkeeper itself. Paste the address, choose the currency as USDT, add in the value amount, how much you would like to send, review the information once again, and tap on the confirm transaction. Your transaction will confirm and proceed further. Later on, once it's done, you can go to Tonkeeper wallet and check it out as well. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.